Hey guys, it's Ben Medina. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. Today I'm going to talk about how I use YouTube for my blog. So this year I made a conscious effort to actually use YouTube as my primary blogging method. And there's three particular reasons why I decided to do this. So the first reason why I'm using YouTube to actually create my blog posts is the ease of finding good topics. And this is all thanks to an amazing tool that I've been using for about a month or so, and I love it. It's called TubeBuddy. You can learn more information and check it out, and it's actually free, so you can actually download it for free. Just check it out. The link is down below. You can also check out the play plan. I'm on the play plan, and if you are going to use TubeBuddy, just an FYI, that is an affiliate link, so I will get compensated. But yeah, thanks to TubeBuddy, I can easily come up with topics for my YouTube channel and blog, just like that. The second reason I decided to use YouTube for my blog is really because of YouTube Live. Now, I have done a couple of YouTube Lives in the past, and they're different than pre-produced videos like this one that I'm actually shooting, in that YouTube Live is obviously doesn't have the kind of music or kind of edited feel that this video does. But what I really love about YouTube Live is that it's just so easy to create YouTube content because you just go live. And my third reason why I've decided to use YouTube as my main blogging platform is that it's just so nice when you have a YouTube video on a blog post, because you can actually read the blog post, or you can actually watch a YouTube video where you kind of have this sense of me and kind of what I'm about, because you can see me and you can also hear me. So that's another reason why I just love using YouTube as a blogging weapon. Plus, a bonus reason why I love using YouTube is that to make a blog post, all I gotta do is just take the captions file and then just edit it a little bit, add some photos, and there's a couple headers, and have my blog post just like that. So that's another reason why I love using YouTube as my blogging weapon. So that kind of explains some of the reasons why I'm using YouTube as my blogging weapon. Now I'm gonna go over the actual process by which I actually create my YouTube videos, and you can probably adapt this process for your own. The first thing that I have to do whenever I decide to make a YouTube video is I actually have to decide on the topic. Now, I use a tool called TubeBuddy. They have a great feature called the Tag Explorer, where you can actually type in keywords and it will tell you what the competition is, or whether it's a good video topic idea, or if maybe you might need to try and come up with something else. And in the next clip, I'm going to show you a demo of how to use it. So here I'm going to show you how I actually use TubeBuddy to come up with my topics for my YouTube videos. So the first thing I do is I go to the search bar and I type in some keywords. For example, let's just say YouTube Live. And you can see there's all these different examples that come up. So let's say the YouTube live streaming tutorial. That seems like a good topic. So now what I can do, it'll actually appear over here, but let me show you how TubeBuddy works. So if I click over here to TubeBuddy, this is the TubeBuddy dashboard, and I go to Tag Explorer, what I can do is I can basically, give this a few moments to load. What I can do is I can basically type this search term in here. For example, YouTube live streaming tutorial, click Explore, and it will actually analyze it and tell me whether this is a good YouTube video to make based off how much competition there is, as well as whether people are actually searching for this term. So it'll give it up in a few moments. It'll actually give me a score based off of whether they think I should do it. So you can see here, search volume is pretty high, competition is very high, overall score is poor, meaning I should probably not title my video this video. However, let's see if we do something else. So here are some other tags, like other options you could use. Let's try how to live stream on YouTube. And for kicks, let me put in the year, 2018. And it's taking a little bit of time. So now it's actually analyzing this new title. And you can see now, unlike the other one, search volume is
relatively, somewhat on the lowish end. The competition's pretty low. The score, meaning it's very good, 75 out of 100, meaning this is a video I should definitely make.
So now that I actually have my YouTube topic, thanks to TubeBuddy, the next step is to actually save these ideas in a Trello board. Now, I've talked about Trello multiple times on the channel. If you want to learn more about it, you can check out the YouTube cards. I think it's over here or over there, wherever. I always get this confused. You can check out the YouTube cards where I have a total playlist on how to use Trello more effectively. So definitely check that out. But that's my second tip. I actually take my YouTube ideas and I save them in a Trello board. So after I've inserted the video into Trello and I've kind of finagled the actual description, the title, I've made an outline, the next step is create the video. So usually I will either go live or I will shoot a video like this one, edit it, add some music, and then upload it. Once I've created the video, the next step is to actually craft a description. Now, the way I actually craft my descriptions is I use the tags that I created using TubeBuddy, and I craft a description that is designed to, one, appeal to YouTube search, but also make it sound kind of natural and enable you to actually find the video so that you can check it out. Now, after the YouTube video was created, one of the nice things about YouTube is that there are all these interactive elements you can use. So I always add YouTube cards and also end screens to ensure that you guys can interact with not just this video, but all sorts of videos, and it creates nice interactive elements that enable you to kind of really take advantage of the fact that you're on YouTube and you can check out all this great content. The last step in actually creating the YouTube video and getting it ready for publication is I need a captions file. So I like to use a service called Revcom. I will put a link for them down below in the description, but they're my favorite way that I create my caption files. And the really nice thing about Rev is that you can actually sync up your Rev account with your YouTube account. So then it will actually upload the captions direct to YouTube and I don't have to do anything. So that's really, really cool. And finally, the last and certainly not the least important is actually making the blog post. So what I actually do is I actually take the YouTube video, I embed it on my blog. Again, I take the captions file and then I edit the captions file to make my blog post. And then I add all the pictures and images, I create the social share buttons. And just like that, I have a new blog post on my blog, all emanating from my YouTube channel. So that in a nutshell is basically how I use YouTube to create my blog content. So I hope this video was super helpful for you guys. If you like this video, leave a like, comment below on what your YouTube channel is and also what your blog is so I can check it out. And also, if you really love this content, be sure to subscribe. Just hit the red button down there and also hit the notification bar so that you never miss another one of these videos like this one. So I hope this video was helpful, guys, and I can't wait for you to try out all these techniques and boost your blog. So have a nice day.